you facing frustrating notification delay issues with certain apps on your iPhone? Don't worry, follow only 3 troubleshooting guides to fix notification delay issues on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable the notification blocker setting. Please turn it off Do Not Disturb. Turn off Silent. Also, turn off Low Power Mode. Solution 2. Offload the app that is causing the issues. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the notification delayed app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Solution 3. Give Reset All Settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset. Tap Reset All Setting. By doing this, your notification delay issues will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.